next topic, which is a getter method. It behaves like if else only, but little bit different. So the condition is which we will be learning is that we will have an input text box. Okay. We will have an input text box like this, and I'll write some name here. And in the backend, we will put a logic that if only the name is equal to Pratik, that is the text we have typed this Pratik, then only show me this complete line. Okay, if there is any spelling mistake, then we don't want that you have typed the right name. Otherwise, nothing should be visible there in the bottom of the input, lightning input. And if we are writing the correct spelling, so we should be displayed that you have typed the correct name. Okay, so this is kind of validation check which we use in big projects. Okay. So prerequisites, we need a lightning input and we need a text box below. So what we will do, lightning input. So first let's create a lightning card. So vector is getter method. We will be looking getter method. What is getter method? Then let's create a save tag. And we'll assign a large table for margin. Let's run a new SLDS class that is to bring things into center of the component. Okay, so that is SLDS hyphen align underscore absolute hyphen center.
Here first middle is underscore here, and usually
yes, in this case middle one is underscore.
Okay.
So you will learn this slowly. Okay. So what we want to do, we will be with the help of this entire things will be coming in the center of the component. Okay, we will see that also. So we want to put a lightning input. Where what we will do, we will type something. So label is enter name and then what we need is an event handler because it will catch whatever we are typing. So we have already seen this on E up. I'll assign a event handler here. And one more attribute which we haven't seen before is value. So what will we do? We will be binding value with the value. So since this is inside curly braces, so whatever things we will be typing, we will be storing it here in this value variable. Okay. So what we will do? First of all, we need a again template. If true directive. So what we will do here again, val parameter we are passing, and it will only open up if this val is true. And we will be printing something like this. You have entered the right name. So this is clear. This is the lightning input where we will be typing something, and this should only open up whenever we are typing the correct name. We will see how we want the name to be. So in the JavaScript, we should have first of all we should create this event handler, okay, which will capture whatever things we are typing here. So handle key up, Now we have to write event. Why? Because we are bringing the value which is written here to our JavaScript to check if that value is equal to Venkata. Okay. So I'm passing event now, and I'll mention some variable input there. Okay. So I'll access this dot input where, and I'll store whatever things we are writing in the lightning input. How? Event dot target dot well. So now, till now, what is happening? On key up is an event here. It gets triggered whenever we will be typing something here in this lightning input. So on key up gets triggered and it captures whatever things we are typing there. That's why we have passed event parameter inside it. Okay. So input where will be ultimately holding whatever we are typing here. So what we want that till the time so I'm introducing a new thing get. Okay. Get, and I'll give val. This is kind of a function, get method, two things we say. So this val will behave like not like a function, but it will behave like a property, just like this. That's why I have assigned val to this template. Okay. And it always returns something. Get method always returns something. So whatever it will return, that will be saved inside val variable. Okay. And val we have binded here. Okay. So what I will be checking, I will check if now regular if else statement, if this dot input equal to Venkata. Okay. Then return me true. Else return false. Okay. So once again, what is this get doing? It makes that function like a variable, like a property, and we can bind this with the in our HTML code. Okay, you can see here I have binded this val with main template if true. Okay, if it will be coming as true, then this template will open up. Okay, otherwise it won't open. So what condition we have put inside it? We are checking if the input variable. Now what is this? This is holding whatever you are typing there in HTML. If that is equal to Venkata, then please return me true. Okay. Otherwise return me false. So if it is Venkata, we are typing Venkata. It is returning me true. That means val will be holding true value. And if we bind it here, it is true. That means this template will open up and it will display the text. And if it is false, then it won't work. Okay. So let's see, and we will come back to this again. So it is not displaying me the UI. That means that some issue in our HTML code. Lightning card is here. Lightning input is here. Table is here. It is displaying blank. Can you find out the mistake? Lightning card is written properly. Lightning card is getting closed properly. And div is written properly. Closed properly. Lightning input is written properly. No spelling mistakes. Template is written properly. No spelling mistakes. If true, value is equal to value. This is fine.